1. Which of the following are good ideas when it comes to batteries? Select 2. A. Keep the contacts clean by using alcohol and a soft cloth. B. Store them in the freezer if they will not be used for a long period of time. C. Toss them in the garbage when they wear out. D. Store them in a cool, dry place. Answers: A. D. Keeping a battery in the freezer is a good idea in theory, but not in practice. All batteries contain toxic chemicals and should never be treated like regular trash. To replace a wireless antenna in a laptop, what must you do? A. Remove the keyboard. B. Remove the screen. C. Remove the expansion slot cover on the bottom of the laptop. D. This cannot be done. Answers: B. The antenna for laptop Wi-Fi connections is located in the screen portion of the laptop. To access the antenna, remove the screen, or at least the plastic frame parts. 3. X-Braze cards connect to which buses? Select 2. A. ACPI. B. PCI. C. PCIe. D. USB. Answers: C. D. X-Braze cards connect to either the PCI Express bus or the USB bus. 4. Clara's laptop has a DVI connector to which she has connected a projector. As she prepares to make her presentation, however, nothing comes on the projector screen. The laptop shows the presentation, and the projector appears to be functional, with a bright white bulb making a blank image on the screen. What's most likely the problem? A. She needs to plug in the projector. B. She's running the laptop on batteries. She needs to plug in the laptop to use the DVI connector. C. She needs to update her X-Braze card services to support projectors. D. She needs to press the function key combination on her keyboard to cycle through monitor modes. Answers: D. Clara needs to press the function key combination on her keyboard to cycle through monitor modes. 5. What is the primary benefit to adding more RAM to a laptop that uses shared memory? Select the best answer. A. Improved battery life. B. Improved system performance. C. Improved video performance. D. None. Adding more RAM is pointless with systems that use shared memory. Answers: B. Improved overall system performance is the primary benefit to adding more RAM to a laptop that uses shared memory. 6. Which of the following display types will you commonly find on a portable PC today? A. CRT. B. LCD. C. OLED. D. Plasma. (7) Steve complains that his aging Windows laptop still isn't snappy enough after upgrading the RAM. What might improve system performance? A. Add more RAM. B. Replace the power supply. C. Replace the battery. D. Replace the HDD with an SSD. Answers: D. Replacing the HDD with an SSD will speed up the system. 8. Jim likes his laptop but complains that his wireless seems slow compared to all the new laptops. On further inspection, you determine his laptop runs 802.11n. What can be done to improve his network connection speed? A. Add more RAM. B. Replace the display with one with a better antenna. C. Replace the mini PC 802.11n card with an 802.11ac card. D. Get a new laptop, because this one can't be upgraded. Answers: C. He can have the 802.11n NIC replaced with an 802.11 AC NIC. 9. Edgar successfully replaced the display on a laptop. A toddler had taken a ballpoint pen to it, but the customer called back almost immediately complaining that his wireless didn't work. What could the problem be? A. The problems are unrelated, so it could be anything. B. Edgar inadvertently disconnected the antenna from the mini-PC 802.11 card. C. Edgar replaced the display with one without an internal antenna. D. Edgar failed to reconnect the antenna in the new display. Answers: D. A disconnected antenna makes Wi-Fi unhappy. 10. Raphael gets a tech call from a user with a brand new laptop complaining that working on it was causing headaches. What could the problem be? A. The laptop uses a plasma display. B. The laptop uses a CRT display. C. The laptop uses an LED display in power saving mode. D. The laptop uses an LED display in full power mode. Answers: C. Flicker is a side effect of dimming on some lower-end LED monitors.